no feeling, I ain't got time, I got a lot of work. Hey, cupcake, no feeling, I ain't got time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to get these knotless braids that are nice and flowy and great for the summer. So we're gonna start off with some clean hair. I decided to just wash my hair and then deep condition it and let it air dry. I didn't want to blow dry it because I was trying to stay away from heat. So I'm going to start off with these 2 packs of Afrazine hair. It's the Silk brand. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm starting off with the color 1B, and I'm just using 2 packs of those. And then I'm going to go in with my Free Trees braiding hair. For products, you can honestly use anything. I just used my pomade and oils that I use in my hair daily. It's just like a blend of different oils. And then I went in with a moisturizer leave-in, which you could just use any type of leave-in or moisturizer you have. Make sure to have a spray bottle on deck with a rat tail comb, which is going to help when you're sectioning off your hair. And it's good to have some clips, and let's just get into this. So when you start braiding, you want to make sure all of the sections are really neat. I tried my best to get each section as straight as possible. It was kind of difficult, so I did need some help and assistance when I was trying to get the sections as straight as possible in the back. So I'm just going to show you guys 2 different techniques on how to braid the knotless braids. So I just start off with braiding the root like down a little bit, just into a regular braid before adding any hair. So once you're done braiding down the hair like about 1 inch in length, just grab a piece of hair just like about this size, and this first technique is it's kind of like a feed-in. So I personally just place the strand of hair on top of my head, and I try to blend the strand into the braid that I braided. And then I'll connect the piece that's on top of my head into the braid, and then continue to braid down. And it flows into the braid, and so this is the second method. Just go ahead, do the same thing you did in the first one. Just braid down about like 1 inch, and then grab your piece of hair, but instead of placing one strand on top of your head, just take both parts of the hair and just incorporate it into the braid. I'm sorry about this angle. It was kind of difficult to try to get the right angle, but basically just place the two strands of hair in that was in that U shape on both of those strands, and then just incorporate it and just braid down. Now for sealing the ends, what I did was boil some hot water, and I added some oil to the water so that it could leave the braids moisturized and seal the ends really nicely. And also with the free trees hair, I didn't really use it because I didn't want my ends to be curly, so you could decide whether or not you want to use the free trees hair at the end. I just opted out of it and decided not to use it. So these were the final results. They're really nice and flowy. They're great for the summer, and I really like how I'm able to put them up in a ponytail, and it's easier to oil my scalp with these braids, and overall they're just really great for low maintenance hairstyles and protective hairstyles. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video that I post on this channel.